In May 1889, a disaster born of pure corporate greed destroyed an entire American city. It remains one of the most devastating infrastructure failures in modern history. High in the mountains above the working-class steel town of Johnstown stood a massive earth dam. Behind it lay a massive artificial lake holding 20 million tons of water. The lake was a private summer resort for America's richest industrial tycoons. But the ultra-wealthy club members refused to spend money on proper dam maintenance. They even lowered the dam's height just so their luxury carriages could drive across it. On May 31st, the worst rainstorm of the century hammered the Pennsylvania mountains. The lake's water level rose violently, pouring over the weakened dirt barrier. At exactly 3:10 p.m., the massive dam completely disintegrated with a deafening roar. The entire lake emptied in less than an hour, dropping a terrifying wall of water into the valley. A 60-foot tsunami tore through the narrow gorge at 40 miles per hour. It was not just water, it was a churning black monster made of mud, trees, and boulders. The wave hit Johnstown with the force of Niagara Falls, instantly snapping brick buildings in half. Massive, heavy steam locomotives were ripped from their tracks and tossed like toys. Thousands of panicked citizens tried to outrun the flood, but the dark water swallowed them whole. Entire wooden houses were ripped from their foundations, floating away with families screaming on the roofs. The massive wave of destruction finally slammed into a heavy stone railroad bridge at the edge of town. The strong bridge didn't break. Instead, it caught a mountain of debris, creating a 30-foot high dam of wreckage. Trapped inside this crushing pile of crushed houses and sharp wood were hundreds of survivors. But the nightmare was just beginning. Oil and coal from the ruined trains spilled over the wreckage. Suddenly, the massive pile of debris caught fire, creating a raging inferno right above the floodwaters. People who had survived the crushing wave now faced a horrific death by fire. The fire burned intensely for 3 days, illuminating the flooded, ruined wasteland of Johnstown. Over 2,200 men, women, and children lost their lives in the catastrophe. The tragedy shocked the nation and brought Clara Barton and the newly formed Red Cross to help. Outraged citizens tried to sue the Millionaire club owners, but the tycoons used their power to escape justice. However, the public anger was so intense it completely changed American liability laws forever. Today, the valley is green and quiet again, though the scars of the flood remain etched in the stone. A dark reminder of the day extreme wealth and negligence unleashed hell on a city.